Hey everybody, welcome back to the Aroma Hut channel where we explore natural remedies for various health concerns. Today we're diving into the world of essential oils and how they can benefit the nervous system. Now, if you've ever wondered how to soothe nerve pain, manage stress, or anxiety naturally, this video is for you. We're going to discuss some essential oils known for their therapeutic properties, particularly for the nervous system. So let's dive right in. First on our list is lavender oil. Now, lavender essential oil is renowned for its calming and soothing properties. And when it comes to the nervous system, lavender oil can help reduce anxiety, stress, and even aid in promoting better sleep. Its pleasant aroma can create a tranquil environment, making it a go-to choice for relaxation. Next is frankincense essential oil. Now, frankincense has been used for centuries in its traditional medicine. It's particularly useful for managing nerve pain due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Frankincense oil can help alleviate discomfort caused by conditions like neuropathy. Its earthy scent also promotes a sense of tranquility, making it beneficial for mental well-being. Peppermint essential oil isn't just for fresh breath. It can be also a powerful ally for the nervous system. It's excellent for relieving headaches and migraines, which often have a neurological component. Additionally, peppermint's oil's invigorating aroma can help boost alertness and concentration, making it a great choice for those who are looking to stay focused. Roman chamomile is another essential oil worth mentioning. It has anti-anxiety and sedative properties, making it effective for soothing stress and calming the mind. Roman chamomile's gentle, soothing scent can help alleviate tension and promote relaxation, making it a wonderful addition to your essential oil collection. Eucalyptus essential is another great oil for respiratory issues, but it also has potential benefits for the nervous system. Its invigorating aroma can help clear the mind, making it useful for improving mental clarity and focus. It can also be beneficial for reducing tension in the muscles, which can indirectly benefit the nervous system. Let's look now at rosemary essential oil. Rosemary oil is known for its stimulating and invigorating properties. It can help improve mental clarity, memory, and concentration, making it valuable for cognitive support. The aroma of rosemary oil can help reduce mental fatigue and promote alertness. It may be also particularly useful during times of mental exhaustion and when you need to stay focused. Now, German chamomile has anti-inflammatory and calming properties. It can help reduce nervous tension and ease anxiety. The oil's soothing qualities make it beneficial for promoting relaxation and restful sleep. German chamomile can also be applied topically to alleviate skin irritations, which can indirectly support nervous system health by reducing discomfort. Yaro essential oil is recognized for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. It may assist in reducing nerve pain and discomfort. Yaro's earthy and herbal aroma can also have a grounding effect on the mind, helping to ease stress and promote emotional balance. Another one of my favorites is Spicnard essential oil. Now, this one is famous for its calming and grounding qualities. It can help reduce anxiety and stress, and because of its earthy aroma, it is often used in aromatherapy to induce a sense of inner peace and emotional stability. Sandalwood oil is renowned for its soothing and harmonizing properties. It can help reduce stress, anxiety, promoting mental relaxation. Sandalwood's sweet, woody scent is often used in meditation practices to create a sense of calm and focus. Clove bud essential oil has a warming and analgesic properties. It can be used topically to alleviate muscle tension and discomfort. The spicy aroma of clove bud oil can also provide mental invigoration and improve the mood. And I have 2 more oils for you. Ginger essential oil is known for its warming and anti-inflammatory effects. It can help reduce muscle tension, joint pain, which can indirectly support the nervous system by relieving physical discomfort. This spicy, energizing scent of ginger can also boost alertness and vitality. Holy basil oil is revered for its adaptogenic properties, helping the body cope with stress. It can reduce stress, anxiety, and promote mental resilience. Holy basil's fresh herbal aroma is uplifting and can improve your mood and focus. I do have one more oil I just forgot. Clary Sage essential oil. Okay, this will be my last one. Now, Clary Sage is known for its mood-lifting and stress-reducing properties. It can help regulate emotions and ease nervous tension. This is one of my favorite oils. Its gentle herbal scent can really create a serene atmosphere, making it a valuable addition to your collection of nerve-soothing oils. Now, these essential oils, when used mindfully and with proper dilution, can offer support for various aspects of the nervous system, from reducing stress and anxiety to alleviating nerve pain and promoting mental clarity. Now, you're going to want to always consult with a professional aromatherapist for personal guidance on using essential oils for specific needs. So there you have it, a brief overview of essential oils that can support your nervous system. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more natural health tips and benefits of essential oils. Do you have an experience with essentials for your nervous system? Please feel free to share your thoughts and insights in the comments below. I love to read them all. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.